Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make simple tomato soya rice. So come on, I will show you while making the tomato soya rice. First of all, I have taken tomatoes cut up, about 4 tomatoes I have taken cut up. Soya bean I have taken here, which I am going to fry first. And this is basmati rice, which is washed out and kept aside. And the other ingredients, while making the recipe, I will show you. So come on, let us start the recipe. I have put the oil to fry the soya bean. First of all, I'll fry the soya bean. Soya beans are fried out. Now in the same oil, I will put the cut up onions. Put the bay leaves. Put in the garam masala, that is green cardamom. Put in the green chilies. Onions are turned nice and golden brown. Now I will put the tomatoes. We'll let the tomatoes cook, so cover it up. Tomatoes are cooked up and fried nicely. Now I'll put in the soya bean. Put in the rice. Fry the rice well. Put the salt. The rice is fried up nicely. Now I'll put in warm water. According to your quantity of rice, you have to put the water. Now cover it up and let it cook. Simple soya tomato rice is ready to eat, hot. Thank you for watching my video.